You come along. So guys, hello everyone. Your regular babe, your regular girl, totally peace one, only a full one. So this is my hair, my natural face without makeup. See? So I told you guys when I'm off, that's when I'll be able to get my hair done. So I have finally removed the crochet, okay? Now I washed it, retouched it, just a little bit of cream. You know that blow dry thing. So it's what I did. That blow dry thing is what I did. And then hopefully when I have free chance, a very long one, I'll commence the braiding of my hair by myself. So it's gonna be tutorial. If you want to learn how to make your hair by yourself, okay, just a beginner, let me know. Comment on under the comment section. Let me know if you are interested so that I'll take you through it. So what I normally do after taking my hair off and then retouching and washing it and all that, I do as like this. Okay, see, I make sure I trim it off just a little bit like this, always and all the time. Reason why I do that, if you ask me, you know, when you combing your hair, there's one kind of noise that you hear when combing your hair. That noise sometimes is very annoying, I'm not gonna lie. So that is why when I trim my hair, they look like the hair that is already weak, the tip of the hair already weak. So that's the way I'll put it. That's the way I'll put it. And then I will just take it out. So right now I no longer hear that noise at all. It's gone. So sometimes I tend to trim it more than that, maybe in a half or quarter, depends on my mood. Depends on my mood. So in most cases, because I make my hair by myself, I don't want to be too tired. When your hair is very long, it takes a longer time. So when it's not too long, you are fast about it. And then when you want to crochet, you want to braid a single braid, bit by bit, it's faster, easier. And by the time you want to make boss braid, you know that making boss braid, you don't go to be too, you not be spending too much time making your boss braid, especially crochet. You know, when your hair is very long doing crochet, it is somehow taking a longer time as well. But if they're not too long, you make a single plait. You know that single plait, you just to put the crochet stick underneath and then take it out. It's not going to be too long, right? And then you remember this one that I made that I just took out now. You know that hair is 3-in-1. That 3-in-1, you first of all make the single plait. All your hair single plait, single plait, single plait, and by the time it is done, you crochet it, and then you have another section again. That's the third one that you want to wrap the tip of the hair. And it's good. It stays long, stays very long, and then it makes your hair grow more, okay, and thicker. So if you are the type who maybe your hair is very light and then you want it to grow, I recommend that kind of hairstyle that I just removed. Is good because it's 3-in-1. You plait it single, and then the second one you crochet, and then the third one you have to plait from the beginning. See, you have to plait it round the bottom, so it makes your hair really stand out. And then you wrap it. If you want to pack it, you can pack a different style, all back, round, and then you put it to your front side or all back. So it depends on how you want to do it. In most cases, I tend to pack my hair like up because the nature of my job. All right, so that's why I do. In most cases, I pack that kind of hairstyle. But now, you see, this one is done. So tomorrow, wait for it, guys. I'm not promising, but hopefully I'll be able to start it. See, give me love and like on this video. Follow my channel. My name is Totally Peace One. Hair tutorial is loading. Did you see my hair? Take a look. Screenshot. No gray hair. I didn't dye my hair. Look at that. Look. What do you see? Me, myself, and I. Just me. Just give me 6 months. Give me 6 months. All right? Give me 6 months. I'm just putting it 6 months. Maybe it's not going to be up to that. Give me 6 months is the title of this video. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. Thank you.